Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another video. Today I was really digging my outfit and I thought what better way to show it off than to make a video where I draw my outfit on a doll. I do really miss drawing lifestyle and editorial related illustrations. I feel like it was always fun to research fashion trends and to try to recreate fabric textures. I've always been interested in fashion and finding new ways to enhance my silhouette. I love these pants that I got from Target. They're so comfy and I feel like the cut is very flattering. Plus, they were on sale. This type of pant with a tie waist seems very trendy now, and while I usually prefer a tight leg, I feel like the cut of these pants looks good with my body type. This top I got from Forever 21, and I feel like it's very androgynous, which I appreciate. I love that it's large and boxy but tucks into the pants well. And I paired it with a jean jacket, which gave this outfit a 80s feel. So I know I've done a lot of different types of videos on this channel, but I always try to bring it back in so they all incorporate art in one way or another. And I really would love to hear from you guys. I'm always interested to hear what you guys want to see me draw or what you want me to talk about. So if there's ever anything that you're interested in, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Tuesday. Thanks. Bye guys.